2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, power windows, CD player, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.